Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you encountered one of these situations in your daily life? Your boss just sent over a French interview recording and needs translation as soon as possible, or got a video from a German client and you need to turn it into English document? Don't fret, none of this a problem at all. With the help of AI, these tasks can be performed simple and efficient. Show you how to complete this video transcription easily and effortlessly. Let's dive in it right now. First, we click the link to enter VMEG official website, and here we click Try for free or Get Started button. After clicking Try for free option, 3 login methods will appear: Discord login, Google login, or email login. In case if you choose Google login, select a Google account that you actually use. If you choose email login, please enter your email address, click to get the verification code, and then enter the code that will be sent right to your email. Using VMEG, you can automatically detect almost any language and convert its audio content into the language you need. After entering the dashboard, we select Transcription from all the tools. Then, click to upload the video you wish to translate. If the file is stored on your computer or mobile phone, select Upload from the device option. In case if you have uploaded content before, you just need to select it from your media library. Isn't that convenient? Basically, there are 2 transcription modes, balanced and accurate one. The balanced mode is more standard and of higher quality, while the accurate mode is faster. Please choose which mode to use according to your needs. We select the number on the number of speakers in the video. There is 1 person speaking in our review, so we manually select 1. If you are not sure, you can also choose automatic detection. Please select the source language based on the video content to generate the text. Mine here is Russian, but if you are not sure what the original language is, you can also choose automatic detection option, which will make our process more convenient. There is another scenario as well. If there is more than 1 language in the video, in this case we must enable multiple languages feature. After that, we can select the target language we need to translate into. I want to translate it into English here, so I will choose English. Now we have uploaded the video we want to translate. After confirming that the number of speakers, original language, and target language are all correct, we click Submit button and wait for the video to be uploaded and processed. By the way, the production process is very fast. After transcription, here is the display. Now you can see the video transcription has been completed successfully. If there are any parts you find inappropriate, you can click the Edit button in the upper right corner to make modifications. Once everything is done, click on the Download Transcription Text button. Meanwhile, VMEG provides you with the scripts in various formats, and you can choose the required format to download. Well, it's just so simple as that. If you find this video really helpful, please don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. This way, you'll be able to receive more videos like this in a timely manner. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.